Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. What's your name? Hello, I come from England. Where do you come from? Good, nice to meet you. Today we are looking at letters of the alphabet and what they sound like. Here's our first letter. M. Sounds like mm. You try. Mm. Good job. Next letter. T. It sounds like t, 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 t. You try. T. Well done. Next letter. D. This sounds like d, 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 d. You try. D. Well done. Now let's go back to this letter. T, t, t. Just from there. Tongue behind your teeth. T, t, t. This letter, same formation of your mouth, tongue behind your teeth, but it's voiced. D, 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 d. Unvoiced. T, t, t. Voiced. D, d, d. Good job. The next letter. The letter S makes this sound. Just blow wind through your teeth. You try. Well done. And today we are going to look at one vowel. One vowel. This is the vowel A. Sounds like ah, ah, ah. And I usually have an apple in my hand. Ah, ah, ah. To help you remember this sound. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, good job. Now we've learnt some letters. Let's see if we can make some words using our vowel A and the different letter that we've looked at today. T, A, T. Put them together, it makes at, at. You try saying that word. At, at. Let's write that word on my board. At, at, at. There's two sounds in that word. A, t, at. So when you're blending, it's really important to use your fingers to show the sounds. A, t, at, at. That's our word. At. Let's have a look at another word today. Still using our a, mm, a, mm. Bring them together. Am, am. Let's write it. A, am. Two sounds. A, am. That's all we have today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.